হ্যালো লার্নার্স, তো চলো আজকে আবারও ইএনবিএস এর কয়েকটা প্রশ্ন দেখে নেওয়া যাক। হ্যাঁ, আজকে কিন্তু ব্রড কোয়েশ্চেন, ঠিক আছে। তো নাম্বার 1, ডিসকাস দ্য মেন কম্পোনেন্টস অফ ইকোসিস্টেম। দ্য কম্পোনেন্টস অফ ইকোসিস্টেম ক্যান বি ডিভাইডেড ইন্টু টু ক্যাটাগরিজ। একটা হলো অ্যাবায়োটিক কম্পোনেন্ট। অ্যাবায়োটিক কম্পোনেন্টস ক্যান বি subdivided into three categories. একটা হলো inorganic elements, various types of mineral salt such as calcium, potassium, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. these through mineral cycle help to maintain ecological balance. Organic substances: when any plant and animal dies, then it is decomposed and creates organic substances like protein, fat, carbohydrate, etc. Physical elements: it includes sun rays, rainfall, temperature, air, land, soil, etc. ঠিক আছে। এবার বায়োটিক কম্পোনেন্টস, ঠিক আছে। দিস ক্যান বি সাবডিভাইডেড ইন্টু ফোর ক্যাটাগরিজ। একটা হলো একটা হলো তোমার প্রডিউসার্স, সেটা হলো ব্যাকটেরিয়া অ্যান্ড আদার গ্রিন ভেজিটেশন উইচ আর এবল টু পারফর্ম ফটোসিনথেসিস আর কল্ড প্রডিউসার্স। নাম্বার 2 হলো কনজিউমার, এটা হলো দোজ হু আর আনএবল টু প্রডিউস ওন ফুড আর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট আপ অন দ্য প্রডিউসার্স ফর ফুড আর কল্ড কনজিউমার্স। মাইক্রো কনজিউমার্স, সেটা হলো whenever any living creature dies, some agents eat up the dead body and produces simple organic compound. These are known as microconsumers, for example bacteria, fungi, etc. ঠিক আছে। decomposer: some agents convert the dead bodies of producers and consumers into simple compound with help of various types of acid. তো প্রথম প্রশ্নটা শেষ। Question number 2, describe different types of food chain. There are two types of food chain found in the world. Number 1 হলো grazing food chain and number 2 হলো detritus food chain, ঠিক আছে। Number 1, grazing food chain: the food chain which starts from green vegetation and ends to animals is called grazing food chain. Number 2 হলো decomposer or detritus food chain: the food chain in which energy is flown from microconsumer level to consumer level is called decomposer of detritus food chain. The partly decomposed organic substances available from dead trees, animals and waste materials is called detritus, and the microorganisms which take detritus as food and help those substances to redecompose are known as detrivore. In ecosystem, three types of food chain are found: predator food chain, parasitic food chain and saprophytic food chain. আচ্ছা, number A, predator food chain: the food chain which starts from producer মানে living on grass or vegetation and ends to meat eating animals and is called predator food chain. Parasitic food chain, সেটা হলো the food chain where the producer and consumer relation start from large animal and ends with small parasites is called parasitic food chain. আচ্ছা, number C, saprophytic food chain: the food chain which based on flow of energy starts from organisms living on dead bodies and ends to bacteria is called saprophytic food chain. Number 3 প্রশ্ন এবার যাব আমরা। What is biome? Classify biome. Okay. The unit of ecosystem constituted on the basis of mutual relationship or interdependent relationship among the three plants, animals, soil, climate of a certain region is called biome. Biome is divided into two categories: biome related to land and biome related to water. Number one, biome related to land, and number two, biome related to water. Biome related to land can be subdivided into into five categories. Number A, tundra biome, grassland biome, desert biome, temperate land forest biome, tropical savanna biome. Biome related to water can be subdivided into two categories: biome of sweet water, biome of sea water. এবার আমরা নাম্বার 4 কোয়েশ্চেনে যাব। গিভ অ্যান অ্যাকাউন্ট অফ ফরেস্ট ইকোসিস্টেম. Forest ecosystem is included in land ecosystem. The main component of forest ecosystem are as follows. There are two elements of forest ecosystem. Number A, abiotic মানে abiotic and biotic, ঠিক আছে? Number A, abiotic elements. Among abiotic elements there are various inorganic elements like calcium, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. are main. Besides, there are some organic elements arising from decomposition of dead bodies of animals, trees, vegetation such as humus, amino acid, etc. Besides, there are natural elements like sunlight, temperature, rainfall, etc. Biotic elements, ঠিক আছে? It includes following. Number A, producer. The main producer of forest is the high quality seed producing trees. Beside, there are various types of grass, fern, moss, lichen, etc. Number 2, consumers. There are three types of consumers. Number A, first level consumer, various types of insects, rabbit, deer, small birds. These are herbivorous. Number B, second level consumers, boa, wolf, fox, etc. feed on the first level consumers. Number C, third level consumers, সেটা হলো tiger, lion, hawk, vulture, etc. feed on first level and second level consumers. Number 3 হলো micro consumers, সেটা হলো various types of bacteria, fungi, etc. are micro consumers in the forest ecosystem. They feed on the dead bodies of all categories of consumers, ঠিক আছে? Question number 5, give an account of pond ecosystem, ঠিক আছে? There are two elements of pond ecosystem. A, non-living elements like soil, water, oxygen dissolved in water, sunlight, various types of minerals, phosphorus, etc. Number B, living elements like mosses, firs, phytoplants, etc. In pond ecosystem, following elements are seen. Number A, producer, একটা হলো green plant and bacteria performing photosynthesis can be divided into two categories according to constitution and nature. Microphyte and phytoplankton. Microphytes are generally large in size and they have long roots. Such producers are Typha, Aquarius, Otalia, Pistia, Vaccinaria, etc. Phytoplanktons are small in size and float in water. Such producers are Spirogyra, Volvox, Diatine, etc. Number B, consumers. There are types of consumers. There are types of consumers in pond ecosystem. Number 1, sorry, এটা বারবার কপি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Number 1 সেটা হলো ফার্স্ট লেভেল কনজিউমার্স, সেটা হলো ইনসেক্টস লিভিং ইন ওয়াটার, লার্ভা, মাইক্রো ক্রিয়েচার ফ্লোটিং অন ওয়াটার, zooplankton, etc. feed on food produced by the producer. Second level consumers, small fishes, frog, shrimp, snakes, etc. consume the first level consumers. Okay. Number three, third level consumers. Big fishes in the pond feed on the second level consumers. Micro consumers, when a living creature dies, various bacteria, fungi living in the water eat the dead body and produce inorganic salt, which is consumed by producers. D. Non-living objects. In pond ecosystem, there are many non-living objects like water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, amino acid, etc.